N. Srinivasan's repeated attempts at returning back as president of the BCCI has had no effect on the Supreme Court. 2 days after retired Justice Mukul Mudgal submitted his interim report on the investigation into the IPL spot fixing and illegal betting scandal, the Apex Court refused to reinstate N. Srinivasan as the board president. Interestingly, the BCCI, which is being represented by Kapil Sibal, asked the Apex Court yet again to allow N. Srinivasan to discharge his duties as president of the BCCI. But the Supreme Court has struck down that appeal. The top court, in fact, has once again reiterated that Srinivasan cannot be the BCCI president while the investigation is on, especially since he is one of the names that is part of the sealed envelope that was submitted by the Mudgal panel. The panel still has to question some Indian cricketers who are currently in England. Keeping that in mind, the Supreme Court has granted the panel a 2-month extension. The next hearing of the case will be on the 10th of November.
श्रीनिवासन के तरफ से सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बड़े अधिवक्ता कपिल सिब्बल ने जोरदार ढंग से इस बात को उठाया कि रिपोर्ट में कहीं भी श्रीनिवासन के खिलाफ में एलिगेशन नहीं है, इसलिए आप उनको फंक्शन करने दिया जाए, जिसको कोर्ट ने सिरे से खारिज कर दिया कि आपको रिपोर्ट के बारे में कैसे पता है, रिपोर्ट अभी पब्लिक डोमेन में थोड़े ही आया है। उन्होंने किसी भी तरह कोर्ट को चाहा है कि मैनेज करके श्रीनिवासन को अध्यक्ष के रूप में अगले एजीएम में लड़ने की अनुमति ले ले, जिसे कोर्ट ने खारिज कर दिया है। जब तक पूरा रिपोर्ट फाइनल नहीं आ जाता है, कोई चांस ही नहीं है कि श्रीनिवासन को काम करने दिया जाए।
Let's go across to my colleague Rika Roy for more on this. Rika, it's not the first time that the Supreme Court has turned down BCCI's request to reinstate Mr. N. Srinivasan as the BCCI president, but this time it could be slightly different considering the fact that this month we have the BCCI AGM. How do you see this playing out as far as the BCCI politics is concerned now?
Well, Nikhil, I think this is a little tricky for, the situation is a little tricky for Mr. Srinivasan. While on one hand he wants to seek re-election, on the other hand he also wants to continue as the ICC president, which is why we saw a heavyweight lawyer like Kapil Sibal today in the Supreme Court vehemently appeal to the judges to reinstate him, but the judges clearly didn't give him any relief. The only thing that they did tell the Mudgal Commission lawyer was to see if there was a possibility of submitting an interim report on the officials of the BCCI, because as Mr. Sibal said in the court today that in the previous report that was submitted by Mukul Mudgal Commission, there weren't any hard evidences against him. He was accused because Mr. Srinivasan was accused of having known certain things, and he is one of the 13 people being investigated in the spot fixing and betting scandal. Today the judges have asked for an interim report, but that entirely depends upon the commission now whether they will be able to prepare it or not. One doesn't know. If that is given, then the BCCI AGM can perhaps go on around 29th of September, which is when it should happen constitutionally. But if that is not given, then BCCI has to extend that deadline. They have to call a working committee meeting, which has also been put on hold for a while, and maybe change the constitution to have the AGM 2 months or 2.5 months from now.